Hello everyone, this is Raphael from iCuretech, and today we're going to have a cool video with this laptop here. We have an Asus laptop that was dropped off on the ground. The screen was busted and we already replaced that, but there's still one more problem. The battery latch is broken. The tip over here that should hold the battery is broken off, and we cannot locate that replacement part or even the whole bottom case. We cannot get an exact match. I did try to get a different bottom for this model of laptop, but this does not fit here. It's a little bit different. So what we're gonna do is design a new part on the computer and 3D print it in plastic, ABS plastic. So let's see how is that gonna come out. So we're gonna take some measurements of the old part, get the dimensions and put in the computer, and also the tip here I'm just gonna match the part from the other side. Alright, so this is already designed. It's pretty simple. The only thing I did here is add 0.5 millimeter walls for the support, because you cannot print in the air, and right now I'm slicing with slicer and I just do not like the way it supports the overhang, so I just put a 0.5 millimeter wall and it's gonna print good. So now I'm gonna save it as a STL, slice it and print it. Alright, so this is the Trail software to operate the printer, and we're going to load the STL file. There it is. Small part, everything looks good. Let's slice it, and I'm gonna slice it at 0.2 millimeter layer thickness. So let's slice it. Alright, so here's a sliced piece. Here's the tool path. And let's heat up the head, and then we're going to start printing. Alright, so now we have the black part done. So we're going to put the spring, install it in the base. There we go. It's nice and smooth. I'm going to put the bottom piece in. It just snaps in the hole. And now you can see actually it works really nice. And let's see if it's going to hold up the battery. Here's the part. And snap that in. And it's all good. The ABS is pretty strong. It should be fine. You don't take out the battery that often from a laptop, so this is pretty much the same material like your Legos are done. So I'm just gonna put this laptop back together, and hopefully we have a happy customer. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.